Hi, I'm going to show you a really quick, easy eye look. Here's a finished eye, and then I'm going to use 4 colors. I'm going to start with Sabrina, and then Crush, Ginger, and Philly. And so they're each individual colors. I made my own palette. I'm also going to use the Eyeshadow Everything brush, which is a perfect beginner and or pro brush. I'm going to start with Sabrina, and I'm going to do Sabrina all over the eye. I have really hooded eyes, so I'm going to go all the way up to the lid, or all the way up to the brow if you can. And it's just a good base, a good shadow base. It does have some shimmer to it. We have another color called Rome that you could use too, but I feel like Sabrina is a color that everyone needs to have in their palette. It's a great everyday, you could stop here if you wanted to and have just a light coverage. And then I'm going to use the more dome end of the brush and pick up that color called Crush and apply it to the lid, focusing mostly on the outer part of the lid, but as you can see, I'm going to mostly put it all over. It's this warm orange pink, and it has kind of a warm hint to it. It's a really good color for doing like a sunset look or combining with maybe more cool tones, but I'm going to stick with more warm colors here as it's the fall. So I'm going to pull that all the way up, as you notice, up over my crease. Because of my hooded eyes, I want to go a little bit above the crease so my eyelid appears larger. I'm going to flip it over and just kind of blend it out so there's no harsh lines. I'm still concentrating going up and above the crease. It might feel funny if you've never done that before with hooded eyes to go above the crease, but you will get used to it. And then again, going to still use the dome end. I'm going to grab the darkest brown called Philly, and I'm going to again concentrate, because I have hooded eyes, avoid the corner of the lid and stick with the upper above the crease lid. So I'm applying most of the color above, and then I'm going to blend that in to create some dimension and some depth to make, again, my eyes appear deeper set and larger. Then I'm going to use my finger and grab the color called Ginger. It's a great shimmer. It's a great fall addition, fall color to have. And I'm going to place that shimmer again on the 2/3 of the outer part of the lid, trying to go all the way up. Looks like I got a little boo-boo, a little mess up. And if there's any fallout when you're wearing cream-based makeup, you can wipe it away. As you can notice, I have a little bit of fallout, and I'm going to wipe that away in a minute. I'm then just going to take a little bit of that Philly and drag it underneath. This will make your eyes appear slightly larger than a harsh black line. And I'm going to put Philly a little bit on the lower lashes here. Again, it makes the eyes appear just slightly larger than the typical eyeliner underneath. Then I'm going to brighten the eye. I'm going to use the fluffy side of the brush and just brighten the inner corner with that Sabrina, the same color I started with, and then the upper part of the eye and the brow bone. And that's about it. And you have a 4-color eye fall look that took less than 3 minutes. I have green eyes. It goes well with green. It's a good look. I'm going to wipe away any fallout. I had a little bit of my highlight that brightened underneath my eye on the brush, and you brush it away, and you're good to go. All done. 4 colors, 1 compact, 1 brush. It's easy as pie.